Welcome to Eat for Life Nutritional Therapy. I'm Samantha Gilbert, founder of Eat for Life. I'm a nutritional therapy counselor specializing in a functional nutrition approach to OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder is more than a fixation on order or cleanliness. It's a deeply rooted condition influenced by nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, biochemical imbalances, gut health, and nutrition. Functional nutrition provides a holistic approach to uncovering and addressing the underlying causes of OCD, offering a path to lasting recovery. If you're struggling with OCD, please know you're not alone and your symptoms are not your fault. You may feel stuck and confused by the overwhelming amount of information about how to feel better, but it's not just about neurotransmitter balance, and it's never a single issue. There are actually two distinct types of OCD: obsessive-compulsive disorder and obsessive-compulsive personality disorder, each with their unique underlying biochemistries. Pure or true OCD results from undermethylation, a genetic condition where the body doesn't produce enough methyl groups to support enzymes, hormones, and neurotransmitters. This leads to lowered levels of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. When these neurotransmitters don't function properly, you may feel depressed, anxious, and struggle with OCD. You may be undermethylated if you're a high achiever, constantly striving for greater career accomplishment. Entrepreneurs, corporate executives, professional athletes, doctors, and lawyers all fit this biotype. Yet, despite many accomplishments and accolades, you struggle with severe inner turmoil behind a calm exterior. You're likely highly perfectionistic and strong willed, with obsessive compulsive tendencies, usually focusing on just one or two areas. Despite poor concentration, ritualistic behaviors help you feel in control. You may have a tendency toward addiction. You may also isolate yourself socially because you feel misunderstood and struggle with phobias and constant rumination. Headaches, low pain tolerance, seasonal allergies, and in women, menstrual cycle irregularities are also common in undermethylation. Obsessive compulsive personality disorder is more common in my overmethylation clients. Overmethylators have a genetic tendency to produce too many methyl groups, leading to elevated serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. This causes a lot of hyperexcitability in the brain. Overmethylators often feel like their mind is always on. They tell me they wish they could escape racing thoughts, rumination, and high anxiety. They often fidget and can't sit still. Other symptoms include insomnia, verbosity, musical and artistic abilities, paranoia, and sleep problems. Undermethylators tend to focus obsessively on just a few specific areas. For me, it was an obsession with food and my body. I was always in the gym and always on the latest trendy diet. Overmethylators, on the other hand, tend to think in black and white terms. It's their way or the highway. Undermethylators are typically aware they have OCD, while overmethylators see nothing wrong with their behavior. Methylation is a chemical reaction that occurs in every cell and tissue in your body except red blood cells. It regulates many substances necessary for your body to function. Your body has an on-off switch for certain hormones, neurotransmitters, enzymes, and chemicals. These switches are called methyl groups. A methyl group is made up of one carbon atom bonded with three hydrogen atoms. These methyl groups can drastically shift how you think, feel, and act. We inherit our methylation status in utero from one or both parents. And as I mentioned, serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine are dysregulated in over and undermethylation, each at opposite ends of the spectrum. Serotonin is a natural chemical that helps you feel good. It controls your mood, sleep, appetite, digestion, and memory. It affects many things in your body, from feeling happy to helping your blood clot when you get hurt. It helps you sleep, moves food through your digestive system, supports learning and memory, and even plays a role in how you feel pain. Too little of this neurotransmitter often leads to depression. Dopamine is known for pleasure and satisfaction. It's part of the brain's reward system, which is why undermethylators with low dopamine often struggle with addiction and attention deficits. Dopamine helps regulate movement and is essential for attention, learning, and emotional responses. Norepinephrine is an excitatory neurotransmitter that also functions as a stress hormone. When it's balanced, it regulates memory, attention, impulsivity, alertness, and stress response. It's part of the body's fight, flight, or freeze response and directly impacts heart rate and blood pressure. With norepinephrine, balance is key, as I mentioned, because elevated levels can trigger severe anxiety, panic attacks, and impulsive behavior. Gut health is also an important factor in healing OCD. When harmful microbes colonize the gut at high levels, they can significantly impact the brain. This is one of the main reasons gut health plays a major role in OCD. These harmful microbes produce neurotransmitters in the gut that travel to the brain, triggering heightened anxiety, panic disorders, and OCD-like symptoms. Healing the gut restores balance and prevents these microbes from disrupting your mental health and overall well-being. In my clinic, I approach OCD from a functional, holistic perspective. This includes appropriate lab work and a comprehensive plan to support methylation balance, gut function, nutrient status, and blood sugar. I provide personalized guidance and collaborate with your medical care team when needed. My approach gives you clarity on the underlying imbalances causing your OCD, creates stability, and shows progress over time, all with a customized plan based on your unique needs. So if you're struggling with OCD, I encourage you to book a free discovery call with me to see how I can help you and if we're a good fit.